Hey babe, what do you want to do tonight? I don't know. Let's go to the gym and punch each other in the face.
Hold on, yeah. Watch your mama. Don't play your friend.